Yes, Brestowit.
Leave the minister.
Mr. Speaker, yesterday actually I've asked a question with regard to the status of the Shillong Government College of Engineering at KHLEM Ikenton Masar, where it has been inaugurated in the year 2023, and I do hope that this college will not suffer the same fate as this College of Architecture and Urban Planning in Tura. Coming to the supplementary question with regards to the question that has been put forth before the Minister in charge Education with regards to the College of Architecture and Urban Planning. The Minister in his reply have stated that 46 posts was created, which includes 25 gazetted posts and 21 non-gazetted posts. And may I know from the Minister in charge the number of teaching faculty sanctioned posts in the above college?
Speaker, sir. Sir, that 46 out of 46 sanctioned posts for the college. So the 25 number of gazetted forces. So that reply was with me, sir. I'm just looking at it. So the out of so the so there are 11 number of teaching faculty members, sir. So I'm just corrected, sir.
The total post created are 40, sir, and 20 are posts of teaching staff and 26 of posts of non-teaching staff.
This is, may I know whether this is inclusive of these 46 posts that has been mentioned here, or is it separate? Is it inclusive? Yes, thank you. The next supplementary question is, may I know from the Minister in charge the number of sanctioned posts for architects and planners in the government departments, for example, like PWD and Urban Department, and the employment opportunities in these two departments?
Speaker, sir, that are completely different question per the subject, sir. I mean, sir, I don't have a reply on that, sir.
Specifically, why I'm asking this is because the government is planning to start a College of Architecture and Urban Planning in the state, and I do hope and believe that, keeping that in mind, the Minister in charge will have this information with regards to the number of sanctioned posts of architects and planners in these two departments, that is PWD and Urban Department.
Sir, the responsibility of the Education Department is to provide the opportunity for people to have the different avenues to be able to pursue the different courses. And therefore, the Education Department is limited to the information that is there with regarding the education and opening up of these colleges, sir. This particular information that has been asked by the honorable member, of course, is linked to the entire purpose of setting up, but it is way beyond the scope of this particular question. In fact, to be very frank, that information will not be available with me also at this point in time, because, you know, this information is about as I said, the number of engineers or architects or urban planners that are required by the departments. That has not any context in the sense of a direct context with this particular question. So therefore, though at the end of the day, when the students do graduate, obviously, sir, they will work as government officials. Some of them will join the private sector. Some of them will start their own companies. So the idea being that there is a huge requirement for architectures, there's a huge requirement for town planners, and through opening up of this particular college, our students will not have to go to different states to study. So that's really what the purpose is, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir,
Yes, Charles.
in the course of his reply, the Honorable Minister has stated that there will be intake capacity of 30 students for each branch. So may I know how many seats will be reserved for the students from Meghalaya for this course, these two courses?
Speaker, sir, that has to be worked out as of now, sir. So maximum seat should be reserved for the state, sir. But that detail has to be worked out, sir.
More questions?